Craig and I have just come through to Cawood, and with Graham and Eddie Liddle here, well-known family firm, very reliable, do a lot in area, and mainly they do a lot with these huge machines here. And Graham and Eddie, they've been working on a project to convert one of these beet machines into a chaser bin. Everybody's been talking about it, so Craig and I have come down to have a look at it, and Graham and Eddie are just going to talk us through, because it is very, very impressive indeed. So we'll just have a walk round. Graham, just tell us a bit about what you've done here. This is a right project you've done.
Yeah, so it started off as a 2006, well it still is, 2006 625 VAT beet harvester, very much like the one that's behind us.
I'll just show you that behind. This is what they started with. So you can imagine the amount of work they've had to do to convert this, but it looks an absolute picture, Graham.
Yeah, so we aren't the first ones to do one, so we had a little bit. We could copy.
Yeah.
We could copy what the VAT had done beforehand.
You had a bit of a blueprint to work on.
Yeah, and I did get a little bit of assistance on a few pictures, no dimensions, but a few pictures of what they'd done with one. So we had a general idea of what we wanted to do. So yeah, basically we've had to pull all the lifting gear off it, all the cleaning equipment underneath it, take the elevators out of the tank, take the augers out of the tank. That reduced the weight by approximately 16 tonne, we believe.
Yeah. Crikey.
It started off at 28 tonne.
And you put this weight block up front with you said Eddie 4 tonne in, so you get the balance and everything right.
Yeah, so it's full of concrete. Is this weight block? It's weighed around 4 tonne, including all the steel that was used to make it, just to keep balanced at front.
To counterbalance everything you've taken off the machine,
all the weight off underneath, so its centre of gravity is moved upwards. So this is just holding the front of it down.
Crikey. We'll just have a walk around, because it's like a new pin, Craig. They've made an absolutely amazing job of this. I mean, look at it. I mean, look at the side. Just stand near that wheel there, Craig.
Well, I'm short anyway.
You're not that short, but I mean, look at the size of it. The scale of it's huge.
Happy with it?
Yeah, it's good. So part of the job we had to take that unloading. We've had that unloading elevator off, and you can see where the pieces are welded in it. We put just over a metre of extension into that elevator, just to assist us getting over hedges and tracks. Because we don't know 100% till we get going with it what we're going to do, but hopefully it's going to reduce a lot of mud on the road and compaction of tractors and trailers in field. We'll be able to bring it to end at field, put it over the hedge,
perfect,
into tractors and trailers.
So, like you said, reduce the which is always an issue, mud up road, and it's always been, and it has been historically forever.
I mean, what we'll do, Graham, when you get going, we'll come and we'll come and film it in action, because that'll make great viewing.
Well, we seem to have a list of people that want to drive it. Everybody's looking forward to it.
We'll just have a walk around back of this.
Chris Jackson being one of them local lads.
I mean, the Liddle family, well known in this area. With the contracting and especially these machines, you often see them about. But I mean, look at the scale of this; it's absolutely massive.
What engine have we got in here?
So she's got a Deutsch V8 in this one.
Right.
Deutsch V8.
Yeah, they're about 500 horsepower in this.
So you can imagine how well they sound, Craig.
That just runs really smooth as this engine. You think it's going to be loud and barking out, but it just
hums away.
Well, have we point? Can we start this engine?
Yeah, we can start this engine.
Right. Do you want to
We'll just walk around this way. Just have a. I mean, look. It's. I mean, look at this.
It's a hell of a thing, isn't it?
So I imagine, Eddie, taking you a long time to do this. A lot of patience. Yeah, so a lot of hard graft.
2 of us for a month or 2 months in total.
Really?
Including painting, and we had a local lad out of Cawood. He's done all stickering, all transfers on it for us.
Looks the business, doesn't it?
It looks like it's just come out at factory, Eddie. It's a fantastic job. Listen at that.
It's nice.
That sounds fantastic, doesn't it, Craig?
No AdBlue.
No AdBlue. That's the bane of everybody's life. AdBlue. Listen at that. Lovely job. Just open back up. What is it? It's water cooled.
Yes, it's a water cooled Deutsch engine. The earlier versions were air cooled, but this is one of the later ones on water.
Yeah, this is. There can be a lot of people stopping and looking at this when you get going, because it's, as I say, what a job. And who did the paint work for you?
So my dad's.
Have you? Oh, so Dad's taking.
Me and Eddie had plenty of days of flattening it off with DA sanders and flapper discs, and yeah, then I set on and started spraying it up myself. I did have a chap that we used for doing bodywork ready to come and finish it off for me. The theory was I get it done, and if I wasn't happy with it, he'd come and flat it off and put the top coat back on. But I got it done like this, and it's good enough.
I tell you what, it's a cracking job. It looks like it's just driven out at factory. That is a right machine. So there you go. That's
Before you go, Matt, well, all the gear that came off the front as well, load of gear, all the turbines. That's for sale, isn't it?
Yeah, there's plenty of parts if anybody's interested for. There's motors and there's an old topper. If all the bit, make out of it. There's the shares off it. Yeah.
So you saw the number. We'll put the number on with this video as well. If anybody's using these machines, needs any spares, I think Graham's got a shed full now. We'll be happy to let you come and have a look at those. So, but we will come back and look at this when it's running, because, as I say, this is our first view of it. We've been wanting to come for a while.
We need to see its working boots.
It would be great to see in its working boots, but what a cracking job these lads have made of this. It's a proper piece of kit, is this, and I'm looking forward to seeing it working. I mentioned before that they've had to take a lot of the parts off the Vivat to make this chaser bin, so he has actually got a lot of spares. If anybody's running these machines and they need any bits and pieces, Graham has a lot of spares here, so just give him a ring. I say we'll put the number on, but there's all sorts of bits of taken off, obviously, to make the chaser bin that need using, really. So they're here. If you need them, give Graham a ring. About to leave, but there's a load more spares here. All this has come off that Vivat that Graham and Eddie have been making into chaser bin, so it's all good condition, all needs using. So as I say, if you are using these machines, Graham has a hell of a lot of spares that I'm sure a lot of people can make good use of. So if you need any, just give him a bell. All these can go, and as I say, there's an awful lot of them here.